Today I'm going to be reviewing the Sabinatech SmartMike Plus. Let's compare it to the microphone I've been using for a little while now. It's the Rode Video Mic ME. I'm going to plug it into the bottom of my phone, so you literally just slide it on like that. We can both hear what it sounds like. Okay, and I'll stand a little bit closer so that it's more like normal, and play the same chords. There we are. Please tell me in the comments below which you think is best. Thank you so much for watching everybody. I'll see you soon.